Have you noticed it lately? The sudden reality that your skin is losing the fight? One morning, a stubborn, new wrinkle. The next, a thinning texture. Then those sudden bruises that show up too easily. You feel this helplessness, wondering why nothing truly helps. You've swallowed the collagen powders. You've invested in the expensive creams. You desperately hope the mirror will soften. But the results, frankly, still disheartening. But here's the critical turning point. You need to grasp this concept clearly. The true reason your skin isn't improving is simpler and far more surprising than any routine you've tried. There is one essential vitamin your body must have to activate its own natural collagen production. Not support it, not help it, activate it. If your intake is too low, that crucial biological switch simply stays off. Without that specific switch, your skin fundamentally struggles to rebuild the firmness you miss. This is the truth. This is physiology. Think about it. Collagen is everywhere, on product labels and glossy ads and celebrity recommendations. A billion-dollar promise that tempts all of us with the hope of turning back time. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You can buy all the collagen supplements in the world, but if your body doesn't receive enough of this one foundational vitamin, it cannot create strong, effective collagen of its own. Your skin ends up with the building materials, but no workers to assemble them. In this video, we reveal the vitamin that sits at the very core of collagen production, the essential puzzle piece that has been dangerously overlooked. Stay with me until the end, and you will understand exactly how to immediately give your skin the foundational tools it needs to stay firm, resilient, and beautifully strong with age. If taking control of your health matters to you, if you want to age with strength instead of fear, go ahead and subscribe to Senior Health Guard and tell me in the comments where you're watching from and which part of your skin journey frustrates you the most. Keep it short, just one sentence. I read every comment, and your stories help guide the videos I create for this community of strong, intelligent women around the world. 1. The master vitamin behind strong, stable collagen. Let's dive into the core of the issue. The master vitamin, the one critical nutrient your skin absolutely cannot construct firm, stable collagen without. And yes, it truly is vitamin C. I know that sounds almost too simple. Many women tell me, vitamin C? I already drink orange juice every morning. But that's precisely where the critical misunderstanding begins. We've been conditioned to think of vitamin C only as that cold prevention measure. A quick juice, a winter fix. Yet deep inside your skin, vitamin C performs a far more powerful, structurally vital role than most people realize. To truly grasp this role, imagine your skin as something deeply familiar, a mattress. When we're young, that mattress feels resilient, firm, deeply supportive. Inside are tightly wound springs. These are your collagen fibers. They actively hold your face up. They keep everything noticeably lifted. Over the years, those springs inevitably loosen. They stretch. Some even catastrophically break. Suddenly, the mattress starts to visibly sag. What you see, wrinkles, fine lines, skin looseness, that's the surface evidence of those springs losing their strength. Your body is attempting repair constantly. It sources the building blocks, amino acids like proline and lysine, from your protein-rich foods, chicken, fish, beans, and eggs. Think of these as coils of metal wire, waiting to be shaped. Then your body deploys enzymes, the tiny workers, to twist and braid those wires into the basic collagen helix. But this is where the critical part begins. Because that braided helix isn't structurally sound yet. It's soft, it's flimsy, it is unstable. To transform into a real, supportive spring that can reliably lift your skin, that structure must be reinforced, locked, stabilized. This final critical step, this tiny biochemical weld, is where vitamin C is absolutely non-negotiable. One of my patients, Margaret Green from Charlotte, North Carolina, experienced this immediately. She was consistently taking expensive collagen powders every single morning, convinced she was doing everything perfectly. But her skin was stagnant. When we reviewed her diet, she was severely lacking vitamin C. Without it, her body could not complete that final weld. Margaret had all the components, all the workers, but zero of the necessary reinforcement. Once she strategically increased her daily vitamin C from whole foods, the visible changes over 6 weeks were simply astonishing. Vitamin C is not optional in collagen synthesis. It is the core cofactor, the biochemical spark, that powers the enzymes to hydroxylate collagen fibers, making them strong and durable. Without sufficient vitamin C, your body can still create collagen strands, but those strands will rapidly disintegrate. They simply cannot form stable, supportive tissue, and this impact extends beyond your face. Weak collagen weakens tiny blood vessels, causing far easier bruising. It affects the stability of your gums. It drastically slows wound healing. It even impacts your joints and capillaries. Two studies reinforce this. A 2022 systematic review published in Nutrients showed that low vitamin C intake weakens collagen structure by disrupting the enzymes needed for collagen formation. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that women with higher vitamin C intake had fewer wrinkles and better skin aging markers over time. Before we continue, I want to know which part of this collagen explanation surprised you most, the mattress analogy or how essential vitamin C really is. Leave a short comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing our community of smart, strong women around the world engaging together. Now let's return to our construction site. Imagine building a brick wall. The amino acids are your bricks. The enzymes are your skilled bricklayers. But vitamin C is the cement mixer, the mortar, the water turning dry powder into bonding strength. Without that mixer running, your workers can stack all the bricks they want, but the wall crumbles with the slightest touch. This is why relying only on collagen powders often disappoints women over 50. If the nutrients required to activate collagen aren't present, the supplements become little more than raw materials sitting unused. Your body needs vitamin C to transform them into something meaningful. When my patient Margaret added red bell pepper to her lunch and kiwi to her afternoon snack, her skin quality changed. Not because collagen supplements finally kicked in, but because her body finally had the missing tool it required. If vitamin C is this essential, then the next question becomes, where can you get enough of it every single day without relying on orange juice or sugary drinks? That's where things get interesting, because oranges are not the best source, especially for women over 50. Orange juice is high in sugar, can spike blood glucose, trigger inflammation, and cause stomach discomfort in sensitive individuals. Inflammation alone accelerates skin aging, and acid reflux is something many older adults already struggle with. Growing older does not mean giving up. It means choosing smarter strategies that work with your biology instead of against it. And in the next part of this video, we're going to explore the true vitamin C superstars, the ones that help your skin, your blood vessels, and your entire collagen network stay strong. Stay with me, because what comes next might reshape the way you think about food and aging. 2. The best vitamin C foods for firm, healthy skin. Let's start with a food that genuinely surprises people every time I bring it up. The first and, in many ways, the quiet champion of vitamin C is the humble red bell pepper. Nothing fancy, nothing exotic, just a crisp, sweet red pepper you've probably walked past 100 times at the grocery store without thinking twice. But one single medium-sized red bell pepper provides around 150–170 mg of vitamin C, depending on ripeness. That's more than double what you get from a medium orange, which typically contains about 65–75 mg according to USDA data. This isn't just a small difference. It's a complete shift in how we think about vitamin C sources. And red peppers come with an added advantage. They are naturally low in sugar. For women over 60, balancing blood sugar becomes more important than ever, not only for metabolic health, but also for skin health, because high glucose levels accelerate collagen breakdown through glycation. Red peppers deliver the benefits without feeding the inflammatory cycle. You don't need complicated recipes. You can slice them into strips and enjoy them raw for a refreshing crunch. Dip them into hummus for a protein-fiber combo that keeps you full for hours. Toss chopped peppers into a salad to add color, hydration, and a vitamin boost. Lightly sauté them with onions and greens for dinner, or add small cubes to your morning omelet for an extra layer of sweetness. This is effortless nutrition that works with your lifestyle instead of making it harder. But the story doesn't end at collagen. Their vibrant red color comes from carotenoids such as capsaicin and beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for eye health, helps protect against age-related macular degeneration, and supports the natural process of skin cell turnover. With every bite, you are feeding both your skin and your eyesight. It's a genuine win-win, And it's one of the reasons I often tell patients to reach for peppers instead of orange juice. They give you all the benefits and none of the blood sugar spike. Next, broccoli. Broccoli has long been recognized as one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables available, and when we look at skin health, it becomes even more impressive. A single cup of chopped broccoli offers around 80 milliliters of vitamin C, already more than an orange. On top of that, broccoli is rich in fiber, potassium, and vitamin K, a nutrient many older adults don't get enough of. Vitamin K supports healthy blood clotting and contributes to bone strength, something essential for women over 60 aiming to preserve mobility and independence. However, broccoli is sensitive to heat. Vitamin C is water-soluble and can be destroyed when vegetables are boiled for too long. That's why I tell my patients to lightly steam broccoli until it turns a bright green color. Overcooking makes it dull, mushy, and far less nutritious. You can also enjoy it raw with yogurt-based dips or chopped into salads if you digest raw vegetables comfortably. One of my favorite simple dishes is a bowl of steamed broccoli drizzled with extra virgin olive oil and topped with a squeeze of lemon juice. The healthy fats help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins, while the lemon adds an extra touch of vitamin C. Many of my patients are amazed at how such a small addition can support the structural integrity of skin, joints, and blood vessels. Next, kale. Kale is often called a nutritional powerhouse, and in this case, that reputation is well earned. 1 cup of raw chopped kale contains roughly 80 milliliters of vitamin C, again, more than an orange. Beyond that, kale provides vitamins A, K, B6, manganese, calcium, and antioxidants that support both cellular health and overall vitality. But let's be honest, many people don't enjoy kale because of its tough texture. The trick is in the preparation. If you plan to eat it raw, drizzle the leaves with olive oil and lemon juice, then gently massage the leaves with your hands for a minute or two. This simple step breaks down the plant fibers, softens the texture, and transforms kale from rough to enjoyable. You can also wilt kale into soups, stews, or sautéed dishes. Cooking it for only a few minutes allows it to keep its nutrients while blending easily with other flavors. Kale supports collagen not only through vitamin C, but also by supplying antioxidants that protect existing collagen fibers from oxidative stress. This makes it a quiet but powerful ally for aging skin. Now that we've covered the vegetables, it's time to move into the sweeter, more refreshing side of our vitamin C list. Strawberries. Strawberries feel like a treat, but nutritionally, they behave like a superfood. 1 cup of sliced strawberries contains nearly 100 milliliters of vitamin C. That's a substantial contribution to your daily needs. And what's remarkable is that strawberries are lower in sugar than many expect when compared to tropical fruits. Their bright red color comes from anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants shown to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is one of the main accelerators of aging, affecting not just joints but also collagen. When collagen fibers become inflamed, they degrade faster. So eating strawberries gives you both the raw material to build collagen and the protective compounds to preserve what you already have. You can enjoy strawberries in countless ways. Fresh as dessert, sliced over oatmeal, tossed into yogurt, or blended into a smoothie. These simple habits can transform your skin from the inside out, and they're delicious enough to maintain long-term. One of my elderly patients even joked she finally had a skincare routine she actually looked forward to eating. This brings us to one more fruit, small, fuzzy, and absolutely packed with benefits for aging skin. The final one, kiwi. The kiwi is often underestimated because of its small size, but one medium kiwi contains about 70 milliliters of vitamin C, similar to an orange but with significantly less sugar. This is a major advantage for women trying to balance skin health with stable blood sugar. Kiwi is also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that works synergistically with vitamin C to protect the skin from sun-related damage. Kiwi seeds contain tiny amounts of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, supporting digestion and gut health. And best of all, kiwi requires no preparation other than slicing it open and scooping out the flesh. It's the perfect skin-supporting snack for busy mornings or late afternoons. Kiwi's nutrient profile makes it a simple yet powerful way to ensure your collagen-building system always has what it needs. Now that you understand the most effective vitamin C foods, it's time to look at how to use them consistently so they actually make a difference for your skin. And that's exactly where we're heading next. 3. Daily consistency, the missing key that activates collagen. Now that we've covered the best vitamin C foods, there's one final truth you need to understand, and it may be the most important step in supporting collagen as you age. Consistency, not occasional effort, determines whether your skin receives the steady supply of nutrients required for real repair. Vitamin C is water-soluble, meaning your body cannot store it for long. Each day, it uses what it needs for immune defense, antioxidant protection, stress recovery, and the essential biochemical reactions that stabilize collagen fibers. To make this easier to visualize, imagine your vitamin C level as a small bucket with a slow leak at the bottom. No matter how much you pour in at once, the bucket keeps draining. That is exactly how vitamin C behaves in your body. Whatever is not used within about 24 hours is eliminated. This is why taking one large dose on a single day cannot maintain collagen production throughout the week. Your cells require a steady, repeated supply, delivered in small amounts across your meals. When women hear this explanation, something shifts because the frustration they've felt for years suddenly makes sense. It was never a lack of effort. It was simply the absence of consistent nutrition. The encouraging news is that maintaining steady vitamin C levels does not require dramatic changes. Adding red pepper slices at lunch, enjoying steamed broccoli with dinner, or having strawberries or a kiwi as an afternoon snack keeps your internal collagen assembly line supplied. When your vitamin C bucket stays filled, collagen repair can continue without unnecessary interruptions, supporting healthier, stronger skin. Let's bring everything together. Collagen is the structural protein that maintains firmness, elasticity, and resilience, much like springs inside a supportive mattress. As those springs weaken with age, your body works daily to rebuild them. But collagen fibers cannot stabilize without vitamin C. This nutrient activates specific enzymes that strengthen collagen, making it essential for effective repair. Foods like red bell peppers, broccoli, kale, strawberries, and kiwi offer generous amounts of vitamin C, along with antioxidants that help protect existing collagen, creating a foundation your skin relies on every single day. But the most important message I want you to carry forward is this. Your body already knows exactly how to rebuild itself. It holds the blueprint for firm, vibrant, resilient skin at every age. What it needs is consistency. When you provide a steady supply of vitamin C through nourishing foods, you activate the biochemical pathways that reinforce collagen from within. Aging will always bring changes, but losing strength and radiance is not inevitable. Each nutrient-dense meal becomes a quiet declaration that you are supporting your body in the way it understands best. Your collagen system is ready and waiting, and consistent care is the key that keeps it functioning at its highest potential. Consistency may look simple on the surface, yet it has profound effects throughout your entire body. Maintaining stable vitamin C levels supports not only your skin, but also your immune system, your blood vessels, and your overall healing capacity. When these systems work together, the visible changes on your skin are simply reflections of deeper health in your daily life. I'd really love to hear from you. Which of these vitamin C foods surprised you the most today? Was it the red bell pepper, or do you already have your own favorite way of getting vitamin C? Share it in the comments, just a short line, because this community grows stronger every time we learn from one another. And if this video helped you understand your body even a little better, please tap the like button. It truly supports the channel and helps this information reach more seniors who need it. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guard and turn on notifications. I have another video coming up about simple morning habits that protect collagen and keep your skin strong as you age. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep choosing the small things that nourish your beautiful life.